This is your tutorial from the bell beat entrance into front balance. There are many entrances into front balance. This is a more exciting kind of rope specific one. We are going to unwrap and I'm going to start my bell beat side to side and I'm going to lift up into my front balance at the point that you're weightless in your beat, which actually can make this one a relatively simple one, though the timing is crucial. Now I'm going to be doing a front balance on my right side, so it is imperative that my right hand is low. My right hand is the one that's going to slide, so my left hand has to be on top. So I've unwrapped, I'm going to start bell beating to the left. I'm going to go right. Now when I go left this time, my right hand slides down below my hips. Now my left hand is also lowered down so that I can sink into my front balance. I'm thinking of the rope being a little seat belt here. So I want to sit into the seat belt and lay into it and fold over in half, piking into it so I feel the most secure. So again, left hand's on top, my right hand is below. I'm going to go left, right, and as I go left, at the time that I'm weightless, I'm pulling up and sinking into my front balance. Get out, I'm lifting my left arm out, and I'm slowly descending into a wrap.